I discovered the healthiest and easiest way to make oats and wheat Boflot, also known as healthy puff puff, and I'm so excited to share it with you today. If you've been looking for a Boflot recipe that is more nutritious, more filling, and still soft and fluffy, then this one is for you. You are welcome back to my kitchen. If this is your first time here, you are highly welcome. Without wasting much of your time, wear your apron and let's go straight into today's recipe. So here I'm starting with my raw oats and whole wheat. This combination is what makes this Boflot healthier than the regular one made with white flour. Oats are very good for digestion and wheat helps you full for a longer time. At this stage, I would like to show you how the ingredients in their natural form so you know exactly what is going into your food. After this, I'm going to blend the oats off camera to make it finer and smoother, just the way you see it on the screens right now. So blending the oats also helps improve the texture so the Boflot doesn't feel roughy when eating. And I'm not going to be blending only the oats. I'm also going to blend the wheat as well. Once everything is blended and ready, we can now start by mixing. So I'll transfer all my flour into my clean mixing bowl, add in some nutmeg, sugar, salt to taste, and I'll mix everything together very nicely until all is nice and well combined. Don't worry, I'm going to be listing everything in the description box for you to check it out. In a separate bowl, I'll now activate my yeast. So I'm adding my yeast, sugar, and also some warm water into this bowl. Please make sure it's warm and not hot. Next, I'll go in with my hand whisk and stir everything together. Now cover and allow the yeast to activate for about 5 to 10 minutes. After some time, you can see the yeast becoming foamy, and that's how you know the yeast is good. Now that the yeast is properly activated, I'll pour it into the mixed oats and wheat flour. I'll then go in with my vanilla essence as well. Kindly feel free to use any flavor at all of your choice. And now I'm going to start by mixing slowly so everything comes together nicely. As I mix, you will notice the batter forming at this stage. I'll continue mixing until I get a thick, smooth and stretchy batter. Not too thick and not too watery as well. The consistency is very important for soft and fluffy Boflot. So make sure to add in the water little by little as well to get the perfect consistency you're looking for. It's very important. Alright, so I will continue mixing until I get a smooth and stretchy batter. This part is very important, as I said. If the batter is too thick, the Boflot will be very hard. And if it's too watery as well, it will soak up too much oil. So take your time here and adjust gradually. So once everything is nicely combined and the batter is smooth, just the way you see it on the screens right now, I'll cover it with a clean kitchen towel or a parchment paper, or you can also use a clean film, just the way you see it on the screens right now, and I'll place it in a warm place and allow it to rise. This resetting time is very important, so please don't rush it. As the batter rests, it will increase in size and form air bubbles. This is what gives us that light and fluffy texture. After resting, you can see how the batter has risen beautifully. The texture is light, airy and stretchy, exactly what we want. At this point, the batter is ready for frying. So let's stir everything once again to reduce the air bubbles in it so the frying process will be very smooth and perfect. After that, I'm going to place my pan on medium heat and add enough oil so we can start frying. And at this point, if you haven't also subscribed to the channel yet, what are you waiting for? kindly do subscribe to my channel and also do turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I upload amazing videos like this, you will be among the first person to be notified. Thank you so much. As I said, it's time to fry our puff puff. So I'll place my frying pan on medium heat and add enough oil for frying. It is deep frying, so make sure to add in enough oil. The oil should be medium heat, not too hot. This allows the Boflot to cook properly inside without burning. To test the oil, I'll drop a small amount of butter, and if it rises gently, the oil is perfectly fine, and as you can see, it did just that. So we are going to gently scoop the butter and drop it into the oil. Please don't overcrowd the pan. Fry in batches if it's too much, so you get the perfect outcome you're looking for. And also, as the Boflot fries, I'll turn them slowly so they brown evenly on all sides. To my returning subscribers and new foodie members who are here, you guys are amazing. Thank you so much for always liking my videos, sharing, and also commenting on my videos, fam. I am very grateful. Thank you so much. Alright, so as the Boflot is frying, let me talk a little about why this Boflot is a healthier option compared to the regular one. First of all, this Boflot is made with oats and whole wheat instead of white flour, and that alone makes a big difference. Whole wheat contains more fiber, which helps with digestion and keeps you full for a longer time. This means you are less likely to overreact or feel hungry again too quickly. And also the oats are very nutritious, so they are known to help with digestion and can support heart health when eating in moderation. Another good thing about this Boflot is that it doesn't feel heavy in the stomach. Even though it's filling, it still feels light when you eat it because of the fiber content in the oats and wheat. This Boflot releases energy slowly, trust me. I'm saying a lot because it's super healthy. Yes, I know someone or some people will say because I'm using oil it's not healthy, because I know what I'm talking about. Yes, this Boflot is fried and oil is used, but being healthy doesn't always mean completely oil free. It's about balance, quality, and portion control. So what makes this Boflot healthy is what goes inside it first. And also, using oats and whole wheat means more fiber, more nutrients, and also better digestion compared to white flour Boflot. Also, the way we fry matters a lot, and so I'm frying on medium heat, not high heat, and that helps reduce excess oil absorption. Feel free as well to use any sweetener of your choice as well, and you are good to go. I hope you are enjoying this recipe. As you can see, the wheat and oat Boflot or puff puff turn out really great, and I hope you're going to give it a try. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this recipe, and I'll be very glad to read all your amazing comments down below. And there we have it, oat and wheat Boflot, soft and fluffy and also very healthy. This is honestly one of the healthiest Boflots I've ever made. Please do give this video a thumbs up, share, and also subscribe. And also thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.